Hello and welcome to this episode. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to provide a sneak peek into the daily life of a facility maintenance manager. If you've ever been curious about the tasks, challenges, and rewards that this role entails, then stick around. You'll gain a better understanding of what to expect and how to succeed in this dynamic role. So let's dive right into it. The daily routine of a facility maintenance manager can vary significantly from one job to another and even from one day to the next. That's part of what makes this career path so intriguing and challenging. However, there are some common elements that we can expect to find in the day-to-day life of a typical facility maintenance manager. First up, we have meetings. If you've got manager in your title, you can bet that meetings will be a significant part of your day. These meetings could involve upper management, maintenance supervisors or technicians, or even outside suppliers or contractors. The purpose? To communicate, plan, and solve problems. Meetings can vary in length and frequency. They could be short and regular, like a daily catch-up with your shift supervisor. Or they could span several days, like an annual planning meeting. And let's not forget about those emergency meetings that pop up when equipment fails or a crisis strikes. Next in line is planning. As a facility maintenance manager, you're typically overseeing an entire plant, apartment complex, or government building. This means you need to dedicate some time to planning. This could involve making financial projections, scheduling preventive maintenance tasks, and organizing training and professional development opportunities for your technicians. If you're in charge of stocking supplies and managing external contractors, planning becomes even more critical. You'll need to plan contracts, negotiate deals, and manage deliveries of items and services. Now let's talk about problem solving. If a problem arises during the day, chances are someone will suggest asking the facility manager. The type of problems you'll encounter can be quite varied. Sure, you'll have the usual suspects like equipment failures, complex repairs, and shortages of supplies. But as a facility maintenance manager, you may also be called in to handle employee disputes, contractor or supplier issues, dishonest conduct, and other unexpected problems. So there you have it. While each day may have some loose structure, it's safe to say that no 2 days in the life of a facilities maintenance manager will be exactly alike. Most days will include a mix of planning and problem solving, along with meetings with a wide variety of colleagues. And that wraps up our video. We've given you a glimpse into the life of a facility maintenance manager, highlighting the importance of meetings, planning, and problem solving. We hope you found this information useful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. For more resources and insights, visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep up the great work.